Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Chuy Martinez. You're on the channel Propulsivo, and today we have something big for you, for all cinematographers up there, and for all people who like to edit video and shoot video. We have today the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K. It was announced in 2018, and we just got our hands on it. We're gonna make a little review and unboxing. Stay with us. I'm Chuy Martinez, and this is Propulsivo. Blackmagic woman. Today we have for you the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, and we want to make a little unboxing because we pre-ordered this on 2018 around October, so we took only around 3 months to receive it. So we're gonna have we're gonna do a little unboxing today. A welcome brochure from Blackmagic Design. Thank you for selecting Blackmagic Design for your work. We have a SD card over here with the software and a manual, a user manual. Something to note about this camera is you get, for the price point of this camera, you get DaVinci Resolve Studio. It's $300 only, this software, so it's a bargain, you know, that comes with this camera, because this camera is capable of doing 4K at a raw 12 bits. So we have the proprietary charger, sockets for travel. If you travel around the world, in Europe and stuff like that, you don't have any problem connected on charging your Blackmagic Pocket. And over here is what we were waiting for, the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. A little bit wider than a normal DSLR, but it feels sturdy, it feels premium. At the front we have the button for ISO, the button for white balance, and the button for shutter speed. We know that in this camera, Blackmagic make a great advancement in their microphones, because they put 4 microphones in the front of the camera, so it's a great improvement for the other cameras. And we have the best feature of this camera is the 5.0-inch screen that works as a viewfinder, and you can work with it without having to focus a lot in the smaller screens of other DSLRs like Panasonic and Canon, and it's touchscreen. So it's very interesting. We're gonna turn on this Blackmagic Pocket Design camera, and I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about the specs. Shoots at 4K 60 frames per second, 12 bits, raw, Cinema DNG raw, so that's amazing. After all, in a camera that only costs $1,249, it's a bargain. And this is something we were expecting, all the people who like us who edit video and stuff like that. So we're not gonna dive a lot in the menu, but we're gonna tell you this is a great camera. It works with solid state drive, so you can record directly to a solid state drive. We have in the side, we have all the ports of this camera. We have microphone input. We have headphones out for audio monitoring. We have a full HDMI, the 12-volt charger connection, USB-C, and most importantly, a mini XLR connection. So if you want to connect like directly from a mixer, if you're recording a band, you can connect it, or you can connect high-end microphones, so you can improve a lot of your audio and your videos. So this is the unboxing, and this is the quick review of the Blackmagic Pocket Design camera. We're gonna have a little shots, we're gonna have a little footage, so you can watch how we work with cinematic. And this is by far one of the best cameras of 2018. We received it in 2019, but we hope you like this video. I am Chuy Martinez, you're on the channel Propulsivo. Subscribe, please, give us a comment, give us a shout. If you like this video, please share it in your websites, in your Facebook, Twitter. Leave us a comment over there, give us a like. Subscribe, please, to the channel. I'm Chuy Martinez, this is Propulsivo. We'll see you in the next time.
Ignition sequence start.
Cause it's a Blackmagic woman. I'm a Blackmagic woman. Esa es una canción de Santana, de Blackmagic Woman. It is a Blackmagic woman.